Are you good at subtraction? Let's try subtraction quizzes with me. What is 1 minus 1? The answer is 0. What is 3 minus 2? The answer is 1. What is 4 minus 1? The answer is 3. What is 6 minus 2? The answer is 4. What is 5 minus 4? The answer is 1. What is 9 minus 3? The answer is 6. What is 8 minus 4? The answer is 4. What is 3 minus 0? The answer is 3. What is 2 minus 1? The answer is 1. What is 9 minus 5? The answer is 4. What is 4 minus 2? The answer is 2. What is 5 minus 5? The answer is 0. What is 8 minus 3? The answer is 5. What is 6 minus 4? The answer is 2. What is 9 minus 1? The answer is 8. What is 7 minus 0? The answer is 7. What is 4 minus 4? The answer is 0. What is 10 minus 6? The answer is 4. What is 8 minus 7? The answer is 1. What is 7 minus 4? The answer is 3. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.